For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies has taken another significant step in expanding its artificial intelligence-powered manufacturing solutions. The company has announced the addition of 6 new clients to its Warp Speed initiative, a program designed to revolutionize the efficiency of manufacturing processes. This development further underscores Palantir's growing influence in the artificial intelligence sector and its role in shaping the future of industrial production. Artificial intelligence continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, raising the question of whether it will eventually replace human workers. Experts in the field have differing opinions on when artificial general intelligence, an advanced form of artificial intelligence capable of reasoning, learning, and adapting at or beyond human levels, will emerge. While some believe that artificial general intelligence is still a distant reality, others argue that its arrival is closer than many expect. Demis Hassabis, the head of Google DeepMind, has expressed confidence that artificial general intelligence could begin to materialize within the next 5 to 10 years. He described artificial general intelligence as a system that can perform all the complex tasks that humans are capable of executing, rather than being limited to specific functions like current artificial intelligence models. In his view, today's artificial intelligence systems, while highly advanced, remain largely passive. They excel in certain tasks, but lack the full spectrum of abilities required for true artificial general intelligence. However, he believes that as artificial intelligence research progresses, more capabilities will emerge, gradually bringing artificial intelligence closer to human-level intelligence. Despite these advancements, Hassabis acknowledges that artificial intelligence still has significant gaps in its functionality. Hassabis is not alone in making predictions about artificial general intelligence. Dario Amodei has also weighed in on the discussion, offering a different timeline. He believes that artificial intelligence capable of outperforming humans in nearly all tasks could emerge in just 2 to 3 years. This suggests that artificial intelligence might evolve even faster than some experts anticipate. Similarly, OpenAI's chief executive has offered his own estimate, stating that artificial general intelligence could be achieved within 4 to 5 years. While these predictions vary, one common theme is that artificial general intelligence is no longer a matter of if, but rather when. The continued advancements in computational power, data processing, and artificial intelligence training methods all point toward an inevitable breakthrough. Regardless of the precise timeline, the potential arrival of artificial general intelligence presents significant challenges and opportunities. On one hand, artificial general intelligence could lead to groundbreaking advancements in various fields, from medicine and scientific research to industrial automation and problem solving. On the other hand, it also raises concerns about safety, control, and ethical considerations. As artificial intelligence systems grow more powerful, the risk of unintended consequences increases. One of the most pressing concerns is the possibility that artificial intelligence could become uncontrollable if safety measures are not implemented in advance. Stuart Russell, a professor of computer science at the University of California, Berkeley, has warned that policymakers must act decisively to ensure that artificial intelligence remains under human control. He believes that governments have a limited window of opportunity to develop safeguards before artificial intelligence reaches a level of power that may pose serious risks. His message is clear. By acting now, it is possible to establish safety protocols that will prevent artificial intelligence from becoming a threat to human society. If left unchecked, artificial intelligence could surpass human intelligence in ways that may not be fully predictable. This is why many experts advocate for a proactive approach to artificial intelligence governance. Governments, regulatory bodies, and technology companies must collaborate to ensure that artificial intelligence development is guided by ethical principles and safety standards. Amid the ongoing debate over artificial intelligence's future, Palantir Technologies continues to position itself as a leader in artificial intelligence-driven solutions. The company has made significant strides in integrating artificial intelligence into manufacturing, logistics, and defense operations. On March 13th, Palantir announced the expansion of its Warp Speed initiative, welcoming 6 new clients to the program. The companies joining the Warp Speed initiative, Epirus, Red Cat, Saildrone, Saronic, Ursa Major, and SNC, are expected to benefit from Palantir's cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. These firms will leverage Palantir's artificial intelligence-driven solutions to enhance their manufacturing operations, optimize maintenance processes, and improve fleet management capabilities. Palantir designed the Warp Speed initiative to accelerate the production of essential machinery while ensuring efficiency and safety. The program plays a crucial role in strengthening America's industrial and technological leadership. By integrating artificial intelligence into manufacturing, Warp Speed helps companies streamline their operations and improve productivity. The addition of new clients to the Warp Speed initiative highlights the growing demand for artificial intelligence-powered manufacturing solutions. Companies in various industries are recognizing the advantages of artificial intelligence-driven automation, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization. Palantir's technology is helping businesses stay competitive by providing them with the tools needed to adapt to a rapidly changing industrial landscape. Epirus, Red Cat, Sail Drone, Saronic, Ursa Major, and SNNC are among the most forward-thinking organizations in their respective fields. By partnering with Palantir, these companies aim to enhance their production capabilities and improve the efficiency of critical infrastructure. This collaboration demonstrates the increasing reliance on artificial intelligence for solving complex manufacturing challenges. Palantir has expressed pride in working with these visionary companies, emphasizing a shared commitment to advancing American manufacturing capabilities. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries, initiatives like Warp Speed will play a vital role in driving innovation and ensuring that businesses can harness the full potential of artificial intelligence. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are opening new possibilities across various sectors, from industrial manufacturing to scientific research. As companies like Palantir continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence technology, the world is moving closer to a future where artificial intelligence plays an even greater role in everyday life. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The emergence of artificial general intelligence presents both opportunities and risks. While artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize industries, it is essential for governments and technology leaders to take proactive steps in ensuring its safe development. Palantir Technologies remains at the forefront of artificial intelligence innovation, demonstrating how artificial intelligence can be used to enhance manufacturing and industrial operations. As more companies adopt artificial intelligence-driven solutions, the impact of artificial intelligence on the global economy will only continue to grow. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.